A summary of what it seems to me, treachery and trickery is my strategy to overcome MCs who are dumb. Let's get this thing started and take it to the maximum. Will I capture, in other words, lure an audience with my style so pure? An unveilment containing some betrayalment. He who laughs last is the one who gets the payment. You'll feel crashes, get a few gashes. When you're finished burning, I blow your ashes. That's right, boy, no hesitation. TDS are all brothers, but not blood relation. While I accommodate, D will illustrate an ultimate disco break. While I accommodate with rhyme talent, going unchallenged. Nobody's a factor, run you over like a tractor. Cuts quicken, DJs turn chicken. Look into the crowd, the posse starts to thicken. Hip-hop explorer, MC ignorer. When your beats are dead, I'm your dope beat restorer. When I rock a crowd, I put them under hypnosis, because I hypnotize whoever comes the closest. Not a king with a crown or a prince with a princess. Charted and jotted so that I can reach success. Hit the studio, death rhymes I throw. Known like a pro, so my pockets overflow. Rhyming is my job when the speakers start to throb. Head of the dope committee, it's the TDS mob.
Treacherous, treacherous,
Devastating.
Supreme, boy.
treacherous, treacherous,
Devastating.
Supreme.
We started off right, I thought we start off wrong. With D on the mix and G with a rhyme song. Everybody's trying to guess who's holding the mic now. D-O-P-E, and I'm gonna show you how. One man does it with help from no one. Me, myself, and I, cause that's how it all begun. In the school of MCs, I got a scholarship, a specialist in wrecking MCs. Who the shit? The purpose of a posse is to lead and support G. Rush anybody's front who tries to disrespect me. This is the job of the TDS mob, to get paid, but not to steal or rob.
treacherous, treacherous,
Devastating.
Supreme.
treacherous, treacherous,
Devastating.
Supreme, home.
treacherous.
On the steal, D is freewheeling. DJ starts stealing and people start rocking and reeling. That is projected, highly respected. The record I selected and we put it in effect, but still we can't relax while mic cuts like an actual beat served on a plaque. In fact, it's so deaf we had to put it on vinyl. Change the whole origin, make it so dope until then you wanna hear my rhymes again. Making rhyme hits, I admit you do the opposite. Some go on instinct, but I use wit. No issue, I make hit after hit. Understand what I'm saying, the G won't quit. You wanna go on an adventure? Step to the center. Be quiet and listen to the dope rhyme inventor. And if you're curious, who's causing crew's agony? Dev, Mike, and G, heads of the dope committee.
Getting deafer, while others don't work. TDS is getting deafer, while others don't work.
What I'm really trying to say is we could do this too. With a treacherous, devastating Supreme crew. I met it with the DJ who called himself treacherous, and other MCs went and mess with us. My homeboy DVC, devastating devastator. Faster than a Porsche when he's on a crossfader. And to be an MC, you got to be supreme, because this is all real, this is not no dream. And I'm taking my hip hop to the extreme. To get paid, not played is my MC theme. I gotta keep rocking for the party, the people. After this there's no sequel, and to me there's no equal. An individual breaking all the surfaces. If something's going wrong, I look at D and say, what's up with this? That means the party's correct, that's what I needed. Peace, my job's completed.
You are not rocking with